is be in Malmö. No, I mean Pukinmäki.
Sorry.
It's in Pukinmäki, Boxbacka, Helsinki, Finland.
Finally you got it right.
This is so funny. Okay, 8 persons capacity. Valmet. Shall I press it? Shall I press it? Are you ready now?
Yeah.
Okay. Yes, it works.
Nice.
Hydraulic.
Yeah. It was maintained and now it works.
8 persons, so
3 floors.
perfect for us.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Should take 2 or 3 rides. So rare. Do not press it. Built in 1986 via 7123 and purchased 630 grams. It's gonna be
Let's listen to the motor now.
2020.
Yeah.
Turning 35 years old in 2021. Now let's listen to the motor while we're riding it. And only 3 floors.
3 rides.
Press there. 2 or 3 rides.
A little bit quiet.
Yeah.
Yeah, a little bit, but still I can hear it very well.
Yeah, well, the start was nice.
Yeah.
There are more residential buildings there. You can check them another
Yes.
It's the 5th of August 2019, shall we take another ride?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
Sure. Do you think it's rope hydraulic or telescoping hydraulic?
I think it's
Maybe
holeless.
holeless. Yeah.
Yeah, the usual dev.
Yeah.
Spektiippaa kiva inspektör, että meidän teettää on now descriptis.
You can hear the sounds from the ventilation system.
Yeah.
Yeah. From 1986.
You can see a little bit through the door.
Okay, cool. Then I can try this on the 3rd ride.
Yeah.
Are we gonna take a 3rd ride? Or after the video?
Maybe I do. Maybe I'm satisfied with 2 rides.
Yeah, actually I'm also quite satisfied with that one.
Yeah. So
Yeah, so pictures.
you can first. You can do the first ride if you want.
Me?
No, I said to you.
Oh, okay.
Probably not.
But what about this floor indicator? Yes.
Yeah.
Floor ride.
Beautiful.
Schindler.
And so rare.
I'm so happy that Valmet used the Schindler features.
Absolutely. This is how we got Schindler into Finland.
Thanks to Valmet.
Schindler door motor and so on.
And also Schlieren. That's how we got Schlieren here, Valmet Schlieren.
And also DV. Don't forget that.
But I think it came to Finland because of Schindler.
Yeah, true.
True.
I think it's a little bit slow actually.
Yeah, it is.
But still fine.
Yeah, typical for hydraulics.
I think it will stand here with the door open.
Alright. Well, yes.
Okay, that's
Test.
it.